Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Shannon with AVADirect, and I'm back with another episode of AVARigs. Now, if you're not familiar with what AVARigs is, it's where we actually feature some of our customers' very own orders, and usually they're the ones that have just a little something that makes them extra special, different, or just stands out, and we want to share that with you guys. So today, what I want to talk about, imagine that you're on our site, you're configuring your next PC, right? You're thinking to yourself, I'm building the ultimate gaming PC. What is the next thing I can do to really bump it up and take it up another notch, just that next level? So what I'm here to tell you, we offer custom etching and engraving on our panels. And the PC that we're featuring today does exactly that. So if you take a look at this guy here, we have a custom etching on its tempered glass panel, and it's a Warhammer design. So if you're wondering how you go about doing that, it's actually pretty simple. You're just actually going to go ahead and build your configuration, but then contact our sales team and talk to them. Let them know that you want to put a custom design on your panel, and it can be a tempered glass panel, it can be an acrylic panel, it doesn't matter. And work with them with the design that you want, and we'll make it happen, and then they'll go ahead and finish it up and send you the quote for the final price. So with that being said, let's take a look at this guy a little bit more. I want to show you some of the cool features on it. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig into the specs of this system. It's pretty decked out to begin with, so I'm kind of excited to talk about it. This actually is boasting the one of the new ASUS ROG Strix RTX 2080 Ti's, and it has the limited edition Intel Core i7-8086K overclocked. I think this thing is pretty much going to run anything you want. It's going to be fantastic, and the gentleman that purchased it is going to be really happy with his build. And I just want to say props to Kyle. He's one of the team members that helped him put together this order. He'll hook you up and take care of you. So just make sure to ask for Kyle if you call in and put together a configuration. Other specs on this system, it is in a Cooler Master Case H500M, and it's nice because it has 4 tempered glass panels, and the front panel actually is interchangeable between a mesh panel as well if you want more of that airflow going through it. Okay, so running through the rest of the specs, it has the ASUS ROG MAXIMUS X code motherboard, and then it also has 32 gigabytes of Trident Z RGB DDR4, and you can see it in there. It's lit up, it looks gorgeous, and I'm loving the whole lighting, theme. It does have the RGB fans in there as well, and it also has a boatload of storage. So we're talking 1 terabyte Samsung 970 EVO M.2 and 2 1 terabyte 860 Samsung EVO SSDs. Sky's the limit with this guy. What can I say? And then the AIO cooler used in it is the Cooler Master Liquid 240 millimeter. So I think that pretty much wraps up all the specs in this system. Now, if you guys have any questions on it, or you want to talk to any of our sales team members, give us a call, and we'll help you walk you through any of the configurations with any of your custom etching designs. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh yeah, and don't forget, you can go ahead and follow along on our social platforms on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and subscribe to our channel and like this video if you like the content you're seeing. Thanks again.